welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Samira Danae, and I'm back with another freaking video or whatever. So for this vlog, I am going to be doing a get Unready with me video. I just got back in the house from a picnic with my friends earlier, so I'm about to take off my makeup and basically show you guys my nighttime routine. So yeah, let's just get into it. Take off these lashes. Ooh. And then I'm going to be using these Neutrogena makeup wipes. I love these. And I'm going to take off all my makeup. And all you need is one wipe. Be taking in some micellar water and a cotton pad. I'm just going to make sure that all the makeup is off of my face. I love micellar water. Now that all my makeup is removed, I am about to go get in the shower and freshen up and stuff, so I'm about to do that. I'm just gonna take this ponytail down. I am out of the shower. I'm getting ready to do a quick face mask. Really quick. So I have this 24K gold mineral mask and I'm going to be putting on. This is my first time using this. I'm not sure how it's going to work, but it looks pretty. This face mask on. I'm going to let it sit for 10 minutes and then I'm going to wash it off with lukewarm water. So just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. It's really cute. I love this color. So I'll see you guys back once it's time to wash this off of my face. So I just washed the face mask off. Then I want to take this rose water toner and I'm going to spray this all over my face. I absolutely love this toner. I love how it smells. I love how it makes my face feel. So I'm just gonna let that dry. And then I'm going to take this Hydrate and Milk Serum and I'm gonna put this on my face as well because I have really dry skin. So I like to make sure that I am moisturized. So as soon as this toner dries. All right. So I'm gonna take this little droplet thing and I'm gonna put some right here. Next, I'm going to use this Dermasil. This is oil-free night moisturizer face cream and it has vitamin E. So I'm gonna put this all over my face as well. As my face feels super fresh and super moisturized. So yeah, I have my water. I always keep a bottle of water on my nightstand because I always wake up really thirsty. So I like to keep water on my nightstand. So I'm about to get ready for bed. So guys, that is it for this Get Unready With Me video. Be sure to like, Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to comment. Be sure to subscribe and join the gang or whatever. And like I always say, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys. Peace.